Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to learn how to download datasets from Kaggle using the Kaggle API. The same method can be employed in Google Drives to also download datasets. So to be able to do that, we would have to first of all install the library, and the library is called opendatasets. So to do that, we do pip install opendatasets, then a -- upgrade. That is enough to get it installed. However, if you would want to hide the running of the code or whatever is being done, you can do -- quiet. I have it installed, so I'm just going to comment that when you have yours, after you have yours installed, then we can go ahead and then we can import the library since we have it installed now. So I would say import datasets then I'll give it an alias OD. All right, so to use it, I'm going to declare create a variable called dataset _ URL. Then I'll jump to kaggle.com and then copy the link where that holds the dataset. Just copy it from the URL, and then I'll come back and store it in a string and save it into this variable dataset _ URL. Then to download, you do OD, so you call the opendatasets.download. Then you pass in the variable that is storing the link. And now it's going to ask for your username. So you jump to Kaggle and then you click on your user profile. Then you go ahead and click on setting. Then you scroll down and then you click on create new token. So this is going to give you access to your username and then the API key. So just go to your download folder or wherever it was downloaded, open it, and then you can open this within any of your IDs. So I'm just going to open it right in VS Code. Now I have my username and then my API key. So I'm just going to copy my API key since I have the username of head. Now I go back to the notebook and then I would then enter my username up there. It's right up there. So I'll enter Emmanuel Obeng Afari. Then I will just press enter to confirm. Then I'll paste in the key that I just copied. That is what it's asking. So I'll just go ahead and paste the key. Now, when we run this, that is it. Our dataset is downloaded. As quick as that. This is quite a very small dataset, so that is how come it was that fast. All right, so you can see that there's a folder that has been created, billionaire statistics, and within that we have a dataset, billionaire statistics dataset. So that is the dataset, is a comma separated values. So I'm just going to copy that. I'm just going to cut it from there because I organize my files in a different way. So I'll go right into the data folder and then I will paste it in the raw folder within the data folder. Then I will come back and delete the folder that was downloaded. Since I have copied the dataset from it, I'll just delete that. Then go back to Kaggle and then expire the token. That is very necessary when you are done. Now let's go back to Jupyter Notebook and then see how we can read the data and then see if it actually worked. So let me just go ahead and import some two libraries. I don't think I'll even need the second one, but let's go ahead and do import pandas as AD and then import numpy as NQ. All right, now we have these two libraries imported. Now let's go ahead and then read our data set. So I'm just going to store it into a variable called billionaires _ df. Then I'm going to navigate through the path. So assign it to pd.read _ cv. Then since you would realize that my folder hierarchy is different, I have this Jupyter Notebook inside a folder. So I would have to step back out to come out of the folder before I can go into the data folder. So I'll do .. So that's why I have .. So .. takes me out of the notebooks folder. Then I can now go into the data folder. So I'll do the /data, then I'll do /, then I'll go into the raw, then I'll then access the data itself. So I'm just going to run that and I'll go ahead and then check the head of the data. So I'll do billionaire _ df.head, and fortunately for us, we have the data sets, and that is that. Guys, thank you. That is how you can download datasets from Kaggle. The same method can be employed in Google Drive as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share as well.